Midamu nyina se wa subscribe to this channel na me share mu nyina. Wonso a bia hwe me na subscribe but more than subscribe when you free. Wonso enene da di kan me mo akwa wa ba. Sane be kan no tena se. Na we the healthy eating and ye promote you. Wonse we abo intino salad ni ade no easy to eat. Obo so winter women to me and the cold salad ni ade into we the easy ones ni. Into my meaning go through the me wa ha say. The me wa ha say kale so aho. Metritwa na mawuru hu nyina. And I will say chickpeas amanu. So only chickpeas fresh one obenua na. Nyame adoma no so me the whole video bebro. Only there wonua na totin one na ebe ye okay. Enti we say avocado pear enu nso nie. And na we me 3 tablespoons of olive oil enu nie. And now we say 1 clove of garlic ama finely dice it. Now we say diced onion. And now we say jalapeno red one half be me wo hon metwitwa. Enti ano ye optional so wo mpe wo mu ayi free. And now we say me 1 teaspoon of lemon. Me de beka dressing to we beka ho asem. And now we say me radishes and unsuni. And now we baby cucumbers and unsuni and cherry tomatoes. Enti nya wo bia. And now we black pepper, so I'm going to make a crown. Today, all fridge will be a bit with their cat, kill no. Today, me and Nanny said me kill me and Fanny and today, me baby, so they said, what I say. Today, me and Nanny said me cucumbers in a meat trip. I feel cherry tomatoes now, so now we're trip. The menu man make you carry your avocado and so. They say the me and say if I make chickpeas maybe so na me take go me salad. If I do be okay, let me pay come on. Now maybe my radishes and so. Put your cucumbers in so I could go so. Now from toast and so put your cucumber. I make chickpeas in a cafe. Now for avocado no and one say we twitwa gu so twitwa mu se ya Nte say dia me nyina ne sma family olive oil no so ahụ hwie ni nyina container bi a ope bi no hwie na afi me di me lemon juice no but more than say fresh one come bottle ones na na nice na afi we do dice garlic any chili no any onion afi me salt to taste kitwe bi and it's not and then my black pepper kitwe bi so ka chili no amani ya come afi no aka ni nyina afra. They say my dressing and one said, "Me dear gugu subina." Come on. Auntie, send me a salad, yay. Wash, send me a salad, yay, come on. Unakono. I come on. I'm the claim from the fast on Adia, she free, Mama, she like a crama, you. na fe me de atina ko etwa no so we de ni no I say enti no and the food am di ja eti awana nye de bia na di carbohydrate nko a de bi o ha no aye we so but me eat for lunch and dinner ni nye be koyi open bread bi wo ma to set very but me de akamba me we no me di ni sa eno abema wa me so wa kama enti ano and am di ja enti subscribing to this channel. Now my boy Kale salad say yeah. Go more than subscribe red button face so now notification bell and so far to so say yeah. Get this so I love you. God bless.